Okay, so I just made some recons of my 172 NR average. So this was the first scramble and I got a 188 on it. So basically all I checked was on white, I could do the 3 move layer R, U prime R and then get this case. But because the bar is up on the front, so I just had to do it from this angle instead and do R, F prime R. And then it's just U2 and then just the algorithm and then U, A, U, F. So this was the second scramble and this was a 211. So basically what I did was a 4 move layer on blue and I mean a 4 move face on blue into this EG2 case, which is just the anti-CLL, but I had a bit of lockups on it, which is why the time was above 2 seconds. But it was the worst time, so it didn't really matter. Okay, so this was the scramble and this was a 159 and it was the best half of the average. So I saw that there was a V already done on white. And you could do U, R, U prime, R prime to solve the face into this EG2 case, but it's kind of bad. And you could also do R prime, U prime, R into this one. And this is just the anti-CR as well, but it has a U to AUF. And that's what I ended up going with. So this was a 4th scramble and I got a 162 on it. So as you can see, it looks kind of simple at first because there are many options for layers. And the first thing I checked was that you could do UR2, UR2 into this CL case. But I looked on yellow instead and I saw that you could do like 4 moves like this and get this case, which is what I ended up going with. But an alternate better solution that I found after the comp was that you could do U prime R2 U R prime U prime F R prime F prime R2 U prime R prime U2 and cancel into the alternative out for that case, which could have been like a 1.2 or 1.3, but because this was the solve that clutched the NR average, I just didn't want to mess it up. So this was the last scramble and it was a 165. So what I did here was to do a 4 move face on white by doing U prime R, U R prime, but the bar is out on the front again, so you could like kind of do it from the back by doing U prime L, U L prime. And then it's the same EG1 case as the first solve. And this time you have no UF. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and goodbye.